so pretty.
Now pretend to smell flowers. Goliath is my bed light starts smelling. Now pretend to smell flowers for me. Great. First my bed light smell. And then to smell the flowers, to sniff stuff. They have a sniff and odor. It can smell. Ready? Sniff, 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 sniff. You know, I like to smell.